Hello and welcome back, YouTube fam. Are you also struggling with bad credit and need a personal loan? Don't worry, we are with you. Today, we've got some great options for you. Today in this video, we will review the top personal loans in the UK that can help you rebuild your credit even if it's not ideal. You can check out the loan website links in the description box. Stay closely because we're about to reveal the best repayment options and all you need to know to get approved quickly. Top or best personal loans for bad credit UK. Loan Cash Now. Let's start with searching for a quick cash boost. Loan Cash Now is ready to help you. This website is all about giving you quick money whenever you need it most, without any fuss. With a simple application procedure, you can qualify for a loan from the ease of your own home and get accepted quickly. The required amount that needs to be repaid is £411.63, particularly divided into 3 monthly installments of £137.21 only. Once you've logged in, the money will be credited to your bank account within a minute. This is great for those unexpected costs. It's simple, quick, and quite convenient. Monarch Loans. If you ever need a loan without the headache, do not worry because Monarch Loans has got you. With a range of personal loans which can be customized to suit your needs, for home improvements or debt consolidation as well as all those unplanned costs. Monarch Loans is a comfortable lender that supports competitive interest rates, flexible repayment terms, honesty in processes, as well as transparency throughout. With a strong focus on customer service, they prioritize offering clear, simple guidance and making sure loans are granted fast. iCash Loan. Need cash in a flash? iCash Loans UK has got you prepared. This online lender is great for unexpected crises when you need money quickly. You can get money in your bank account on the same day because of a quick online application and fast approvals. You can borrow £250 from iCash Loans UK for 90 days, making it a simple short-term financial solution. With customizable terms for repayment, you can split the cost over a period of 3 months, which makes it easier to deal with unexpected expenses and prevent financial stress. iCash Loans offers easy lending options, allowing you to borrow just what you need with transparent terms and no extra fees. Abbey Loan. In the end, if you are ever looking for a reliable loan, Abbey Loans has got you covered. A simple, quick application process and customer support are great opportunities to get advice at any moment. Abbey Loans offers cash loans from £50 to £1,000, thus allowing you to borrow the amount that you need. Designed for casual borrowing, with a 1,272% APR representative, the loans offer a solution to deal with financial issues in the short term. Abbey Loans can help provide an easy route to getting your hands on the cash when you need it the most. Different types of personal loans for bad credit UK. Secured loans. A secured loan needs an asset such as a car, property or other stuff to secure the loan. Since the loan is secured by an asset, you are more likely to be approved even though you have bad credit. Still, you must be able to repay the loan. Guarantor loans. If you choose to take out a guarantor loan, another person, usually a family member, relative, co-worker, or friend, takes on to repay the debt if you miss. This option could also raise your chances of success if you have bad credit because the guarantor offers the lender with extra confidence and sense of security. Debt consolidation. A debt consolidation personal loan is one in which a person borrows money to repay unsecured obligations such as credit cards and medical expenses. Taking out a new loan allows you to replace all of your credit card balances, loans, or debts with varying interest rates. The goal is to simplify your accounts and lower your interest rates in order to avoid juggling several repayments. Conclusion. So that's it, guys. Here are some of the best personal loans for bad credit in the UK. As usual, do your research and always make sure you are getting the best financing available for your needs. You can take charge of your credit score and ensure a better financial future by learning about credit and making good decisions. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Super quick and super easy as usual. All the details and all the links will be listed in the description box below. Watch and see you all in the next one.